Ayan, so bago ko magsisimula mga madam and sir, gusto ko lang i-flex yung ating item. You have the Evil Eye Bracelet. Sa mga interesadong bumili, this is 970 pesos. Proteksyon sa mga inggit at mga ill intentions ng ating mga frenemies. Okay, so if you want na hindi ka binubuli at para hindi ka kainggitan at hindi ka plaplanuhan ng mga masama sa mga taong inggit sa mga success mo, inggit sa yung status ng buhay mo, okay, then you need this Evil Eye Bracelet. Now, sa gusto mag-avail, just message me sa Facebook page, Bono Magus, okay? And now you also have the Be Kind to Me spell jar, okay? This is only 550 pesos, okay? Be Kind to Me spell jar. Ito yung magpapaamo sa mga taong gusto mong maging mabait na sa'yo. Gusto mo na matratuhin ka ng maayos, okay? Gusto mo na maging mabait na yung tao sa'yo na lagi kang, masama siguro ang mga tato. Especially if you are katulong, ayan, ikaw ay nasa work, nag-work ka, and then yung boss mo, lagi kang pinapagalitan. Anything that you need someone or anyone na kailangan mong maging mabait sa'yo, okay? Mapaamo mo, okay? Hindi ito gayuma ha. Yung susunod siya sa mga gusto mo, yung itatrato ka lang ng mabuti, okay? So Be Kind to Me spell jar is this person will treat you kindly, okay? Hindi ka na niya babastusin, hindi ka niya ipapahiya o ano man yung mistreatment na ginagawa sa'yo. So if you want this, take a screenshot and then message me sa Facebook page Bono Magus. Okay, so ayan, welcome back po dito sa Bono Magus, kay dating Angel from PH Tarot. Ayan. So, love life naman tayo, okay? So, ito, nakita ko, ay kukunin ko yung mga energies kung sino masasagap ko dito, no? Okay, you have the Devil. For some of you may be dealing with a Capricorn. Knight of Pentacles, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, King of Wands, Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, ano pa? The Sun card, Leo, Ace of Cups, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, the Magician, Aries, okay, the Moon, Pisces, High Priestess, Pisces, ano pa? Okay, parang walang air signs. But anyway, that's okay. Actually, all of the signs are here. Okay, the Hangman, this is Pisces, strong water sign. So, ayan, nakita ko, there's someone here na nagma-manifest sa'yo. Or ikaw tong nagma-manifest. But this person is slow moving yung action niya. Okay, nagmamasid siya, nag-o-observe lang siya. Mahabang pasensya niya, hindi siya nagmamadali. But definitely, ikaw ang gusto niya. May lihim siyang pagtingin sa'yo. May lihim siyang pagmamahal sa'yo, hindi niya pa siguro sinasabi, or may tinatago siya. Ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya actually. Kaya masaya siya sa'yo, gusto kanyang makasama, gusto kanyang maging kayo. But there is a third party involved. Siguro that's the reason why hindi niya maamin-amin yung feelings niya sa'yo kasi may third party. It's either ikaw ay meron ng karelasyon or siya. Or maybe both of you are already in a relationship. Pero nag-uusap kayo. Nakikita ko may mga exchange of messages. Text, call, ayan. For some of you, this is a secret relationship. Secret love affair. Something like that. Posible na maging secret love affair. Now, 6 of Cups and the Devil and the 8 of Cups. Mukhang at one time, there is this feeling na parang niyaya ka o niyaya mo siyang pumunta sa'yo. But then, may nangyari na hindi natupad. Kasi we have the 8 of Cups. There's someone here na na-disappoint sa ganong pangyayari na hindi natuloy na nagsama kayo. Now, going on, andun pa rin yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Punong-puno. Now, alam mo intention niya. Ito yung plano niya. Nagpaplano tong tao na to eh. Yeah, 7 of Cups, nagpaplano siya. Okay? Iniisip niya. You know, his or her tawag nito, wildest dreams, isa sa mga fantasies niya ay makuha ka niya, maging sayo siya, maangkin ka, something like that. Ano bang term, the right term? Maging kayo, sabihin na lang natin, maging kayo, maging legal, maging magsama kayo sa isang bubong. Kaya lang, this person is still holding on to the feelings or holding back. Andun pa rin yung chemistry, andun pa rin yung attraction, strong attraction, because I feel like you both feel that you're supposed to be one another. You both feel na talagang para kayo, parang there is this energy here na nakikita ko. It's either like, it's the two of you. The feeling is mutual. The problem is, my third party. Kaya nalulungkot. Parehas kayong nalulungkot. May umiiyak, it's either ikaw or siya. Meron din talagang hindi siya happy sa isang relasyon kasi feeling niya, yung soulmate niya, ikaw. Na parehas kayong involved na with someone else. Alam mo yun? But in a few days, few weeks, few months to come, you know what's gonna happen? Ito ang mangyayari. May maghahanap ng paraan. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino sa inyong dalawa. Hahanap ng paraan itong tao na to para makonvince siya na magsama kayo. Something like that. Because there's this Ace of Cups eh. Ace of Cups is a proposal. Andun pa rin talaga yung pagmamahal with the Ace of Cups. So, ayan, gagawa ng paraan itong person na to kung paano niya makukuha or paano kayo, if naghiwalay kayo, if ever man yung iba sa inyo, if nag-separate kayo, naghahanap ng way itong tao na to at paraan kung paano ulit kayo mabuo or paano gagaling yung sugat na minsan nagkaroon ng parang may nangyari because of a third party, I think. Now, merong galit dito. May galit dito sa third party. I don't know if it's you or the other person. Galit siya, naiinis siya, umiiyak siya. May umiiyak dito eh. And yeah, talagang na-disappoint siya kasi it's either nahuli siyang nakikipag-chat sa iba, and then yun na, this is a point. And what you don't see coming is, let's see. Parang may planong aalis ng ibang bansa. Sino? I don't know who this person is, pero may planong aalis or uuwi or magta-travel kasi may hindi nag-work. So here's the situation. This situation is either natapos na, nangyari na, or mangyayari pa. Someone is heartbroken or will be broken-hearted about this. Deeply hurt and sad of this because there is this energy of feeling lost, grieving, and in despair. May breakup na mangyayari or nangyari na. Okay? But there is this unconditional love dito sa sitwasyon na to. It's either ikaw yung nagmamahal or siya. Okay? There is a strong attraction and affection. And you have been selfish. Naging selfless ka. Ibig sabihin, lagi mo siyang inuuna, lagi mo siyang iniisip. Lahat ginawa mo para sa kanya. But then, andun pa rin yung third party. Something like that. You are twin flame. May snake talaga eh. The other woman, my competition, my enemy. So I see you have set boundaries. And now, I see someone here na parang magpo-focus na lang siya sa sarili niya. And may abundance na darating sa'yo. Okay, if you keep that positive mindset, yayaman ka, magiging bilyonaryo. Because I see this card. You're focusing on your manifestation. There is blessing na mangyayari sa'yo despite sa love life mo na yung iba sa inyo failure. Okay? You are very opposite with each other. Yung iba sa inyo kasal na nito. Okay, married na. Yung iba sa inyo nag-lived in or magli-live in or magsasama sa isang bubong. There is an engagement ring, so posible ng yung iba sa inyo is gustong pakasalan ng tao na to at talagang magkakaroon ng parang proposal like I said earlier. Okay? Ayan. It needs time. This relationship needs a lot of healing. There is happiness, joy, playfulness, enjoying each other, honeymoon phase, but it needs patience and it needs understanding and a lot of work. So, yan po ang love life na nakuha ko. Yan po ang energy na nakuha ko sa love life. Okay, let me know if nag-resonate kayo. Let me know kung anong zodiac sign ka. Okay? Ayan po. So, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys next time. Ingat po. God bless. More power. And if you are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please follow me on Facebook page kasi mamimigay na ako next week. This Saturday, Sunday pala. Sunday night. Basta Saturday or Sunday night, mamimigay po ako ng free jewelries. Kaya kung gusto nyo makahabol, ayan, follow na kayo sa Facebook page ko, Bono Magos. I'll see you there. Ingat po. God bless. Bye!